Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be covering how you can actually calculate the lot size. Okay, so in previous video you saw that we covered how to calculate the pips. Now how you can calculate the lot size, and according to the lot size you will be keeping your risk, right? Let's just take this as an example. There is a very good example for all of you. Now let's say if my account size, my account size, if my account size is, let's say $20,000, okay, $20,000. Now if I'm risking just 1%, my risk is 1%, okay. If my risk is 1%, it means my risk is overall $200, right? Per trade I will be risking $200. Now if I want to risk $200, so what will be my lot size? What will be my lot size so that I can only lose if market hits my stop loss? अगर मार्केट मेरा स्टॉप लॉस को हिट करता है तो मेरा $200 का ही लॉस हो या $200 के आसपास ही लॉस हो. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? सो इट कैन हैपन बाय सिलेक्टिंग दी राइट लॉट साइज. ओके, सो हमें समझना होगा कि लॉट साइज को कैसे सिलेक्ट करते हैं. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर, आई एम जस्ट क्लियरिंग इट आउट. let's just say this must, let's just keep it here. Okay, so let's say now, right now, as I taught you in previous video, we talked about how to calculate the pips. Okay, so in this video I am just writing it down here. It will be really helpful for all of you. So let's here, let me write it down. One lot with one pip equals to, one lot with one pip equals to $10. 10 lot with one pip equals to $100. Okay, equals to $100. And 100 lot with one pip equals to $1,000. Okay, and also there will be 0.1 lot with 0.10. Okay, one pip with one pip equals to $1. Okay, so minimum you have to keep your loss at least, at least $1. This is very important. Now let's just take this as an example. Let's say right now my account size is, so you understood that how to calculate the pips, right? हमने previous video में क्या समझा था कि pips को कैसे calculate करना है. So you know कि pips कितना है. So your stop loss is, let's just say your stop loss is 5 pips. Okay, stop loss is 5 pips. So your stop loss is 5 pips. Now you can risk only $200. You can risk only $200. So अब मेरे को कौन सा लॉट साइज सेलेक्ट करना है? मेरा स्टॉप लॉस है 5 पिप्स का, राइट? एंड ऐसा कौन सा लॉट साइज मैं सिलेक्ट करूं जिससे कि मेरा लॉस सिर्फ $200 हो? सो विद दिस you just have to focus on this one thing here, that let's say in this example here, right now I want to keep here lot size. What is the lot size here? What is the, pips here? 5 pips. Stop loss कितने पिप का है? 5 pips का है. So right now let's just take this lot size. Okay, this one lot. सो हियर व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, ये मैं इसको सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. अब वो आप समझ जाओगे कि कैसे इनको सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, जैसे कि वन लॉट विद वन पिप इक्वल्स टू $10. सो लेट्स से वन लॉट विथ 1 pip equals to $10. So what is my stop loss? My stop loss is 5 pips. So one lot with 5 pips equals to $50, right? It will be 5 times. Here it was $1, right? Oh sorry, here it was 1 pip. So according to it was $10. Now here it is 5 pip because my stop loss is 5 pip. So it will become $50. So I can see that अगर मैं one lot खरीद रहा हूँ, if I am buying one lot or if I am selling one lot or if I am trading with one lot, and if my stop loss is 5 pips, I will lose $50. But I don't want to lose $50, right? I want to lose, or I want to keep a stop loss of $200. Okay. So now what will I do? I will not change anything here. मेरे को simply इसमें changes करना होगा. I have to change. If I want to change anything or if there is a need of any change, we will change in lot size. So अब इसमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे? Let's just remove this. Okay, let's just remove everything here. So right now here I can see one lot with 5 pip equals to $50. Let's just say if I write it down here, 2 lot with 5 pips, so it will be double, right? It will be $100. Now let's just say if I write down here, if I write down 3, what will be here? It will become $150. So if I want to keep $200 loss, or if I want to keep $200 risk, I just have to keep lot size 4 lot with 5 pip equals to $200. So whenever I am trading and if my risk is 5 pips, and if my risk is 5 pips, and let's say my risk should be only $200 in terms of money, in terms of capital, my risk will be $200. So उसके according मेरे को 4 lot size select करना होगा. I will trade with 4 lot. Okay. Now let's just say there is another example. Now in this example, let's say now pips, my stop loss is 10 pips. My stop loss is 10 pips. Now what will happen? My risk will be same. I want to risk only $200. So what should I do here? Simply what I will be doing here, let's just remove everything. Remove this also. Okay. So in this example, what is happening? I'm just removing lot size also. I'm just removing this also. So in starting, what was this? It was one lot with 1 pip equals to $10. Yes. Now what is my lot size here? What is my pips here? Stop loss pips, and 10 pips, right? So just write it down here that our pip is 10 here. I am just writing it down here. Okay. Now one lot with 10 pip equals to $100. It equals to $100, right? So just keep it here, $100. So I understood. Okay, if my lot size is 1 here, and if I am trading with if my stop loss is 10 pips, so I will lose $100 if it hits my stop loss. अगर मेरा stop loss hit करता है तो मेरा loss कितना होगा? सिर्फ $100 का. But I want to lose $200. What should I do? Simply increase your lot size. Simple. Simply increase your lot size. So lot size was 1. Let's just keep it 2. If I keep it 2 here, what will happen? This will also increase, right? This will also increase. Means the result will be $200. That's it. So now I know if my pips is 10 pips, if my stop loss is 10 pips, so I have to keep, or I have to trade with 2 lot. I have to trade with 2 lot because I want to lose only 200. Okay, I want to lose only $200. Now another example, very simple example here again. Let's say now we are trading with more smaller capital, right? So see, minimum you have to keep loss of at least $1, right guys? You have to trade with at least $1 loss. Your risk should be at least $1. इससे नीचे नहीं हो सकता है. There is no lot size below than this. Okay, इससे नीचे कुछ नहीं है. So let's just say in this example I want to risk, if my risk is let's say I am having 50,000 or $50,000, not $50,000, let's say I am trading with $5,000. okay, I am trading with $5,000, so I am just removing everything from now. For just few minutes I am removing everything now. Let's just change this, sorry. Okay, so my account size here is, it is $5,000. So according to this, I am keeping my risk, you can say I can keep risk of 1%, right? I want to keep risk of 1%. So my risk will be $50. Okay, my risk will be $50. Now let's just assume if in a particular trade, my lot size, okay, my lot size is, in this overall example, my lot size and all my pips, my stop loss pips is, let's say, let me remove this first. Okay, so my stop loss pips are, in terms of pips, let's just take this as an example, that my 5 pip stop loss, I have a stop loss of 5 pip. Okay, I have a stop loss of 5 pips. Now let's say I want to lose $50, and now I am trading with this. Let's just remove this overall, right? So with, according to me, this lot size will be suitable for many of you. This will be, and this will be very suitable, because I don't think, and maybe sometimes this also, right? So I can see, let's say I want to risk $50, and in this example, let's say if I trade with one lot with 1 pip equals to $10, right? Here we saw one lot with 1 pip equals to $10, but I want to risk $50. So it is very simple, right? What is my lot size? What are my stop loss pips? It is 5. So if I simply change this 1, because my stop loss is 5 pips, yes or no, right? 5 pips. So if I will increase this will also increase, so I will increase this also, so it will become 50. So that's it. Let's say now I want to trade, and I want to lose, or I want to keep stop loss of $50, because my stop loss is 5 pips and I want to keep my risk only $50. So what will be my lot size? My lot size will be 1 lot. It will be 1 lot. Now let's just take another example here. It will be a little complicated, I think. Let's try this one. Okay, in this example, my lot size or my stop loss, my pip size is 15. Okay, my stop loss pip is 15. Okay, मेरा जो stop loss है या मेरा जो stop loss है वो 15 pips का है. So my stop loss is 15 pips. Now if my stop loss is 15 pips, now what should I do here? What should I do? So in this situation, I can see, if I just remove this, let me just remove this. Okay, let me just remove this also. If I just keep it here, let's say if I just write down 15 pips, if I just say it is 15 pips, let me change the color, just a second guys. Okay, it is 15 pips. It is 15 pips. So what will happen? What will be my risk? My risk will be $150. But I don't want to lose $150. What should I do here? You can see I want to I just want to lose $50. I don't want to lose $150. So what should I do in this situation? I have to change in my lot size. I have to change something in my lot size. Okay. So let's say in this situation, if I just remove this one lot, and if I just make it 0.5, 0.50, okay, half of 1, right? इस 1 का half क्या होगा? What will be the half of 1? It will be 0.50, right? So if I'm just risking 0.50, it will become half. It will become half. Yes or no? Yes. So what will be my risk now? My risk will be $75. But still this is not my actual risk, right? It is not my actual risk, right? I want to lose $50. But what is happening here? It is just showing 75. If I'm trading with 0.50 lot size with 15 pip stop loss, my risk will be $75. But I don't want to lose 75. So what I have to do here in this situation, it is very simple. Okay, it is very simple that let's say, let me show you an example here. Okay, let me show you an simple example. Let's just go to the calculator. Okay, let's just go to the calculator. What can I see that if I'm trading with one lot, okay, if I'm trading with one lot, okay, and if I was trading with one lot, what was happening? अगर मैं एक लॉट के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा था, so what was happening? I can see that यार मेरा stop loss 15 pips का है, my stop loss is 15 pips and my lot size is 1, so according to that I am losing $150. मेरा रिस्क $150 का हो रहा है, तो मैंने उसको कम करके मैंने 0.5 कर दिया, बट इट इज़ स्टिल $75, राइट? तो मैंने क्या किया, 150 अगेन देखा, 0.5 से हमारा काम नहीं चलेगा, राइट? सो लेट जस्ट ट्राई टू कीप इट 0.4. इट इज़ स्टिल $60, राइट? अगेन $150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.3 करके देखते हैं, इट विल बी $45. बट स्टिल आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लूज 45, आई वॉन्ट टू लूज $50. Perfect. Okay, so let's say 150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.30 किया था हमने, राइट? और 0.3 और 0.30 सेम, राइट? ऑलमोस्ट दोनों सेम होता है. ओके, कंफ्यूज मत होना इसमें. आई होप दिस इज बेसिक. ओके, कि 0.3 या 0.30 इज इक्वल ऑलमोस्ट. तो अगर मैं 150 को अगर मैं देख रहा था कि मैं उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा था 0.5 से और 0.50 से, तो मेरा रिस्क आ रहा था $75 का, ठीक है? बट $150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.30 इट वॉज शोइंग $45, बट आई वॉन्ट टू कीप 50, सो 150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.35 इक्वल्स टू $52.5. सो ये हमारे जो एक्चुअल में हमारा जो मतलब ऐसा एग्जैक्ट भी रखा जा सकता है, बट हमारा जो ओवरऑल रिस्क है $50 उसके आसपास ही आ गया, राइट? सो इफ आई एम ट्रेडिंग विथ, लेट जस्ट टेक दिस एज एन एग्जांपल, इफ आई एम ट्रेडिंग विथ 0.35, ओके, 0.35 with if I am trading with 0.35 lot with 15 pips, it will be overall $52.5. so it is almost equal, और मेरे जो एक्चुअल रिस्क है उसके आसपास ही है, राइट? आई वॉन्ट टू लूज $50 and $52 ऑलमोस्ट. सो दिस इज द राइट लॉट साइज. ये एकदम सही है मेरे लिए, राइट? दिस इज द राइट लॉट साइज for me to trade. I hope this was, I know this is little bit complicated. जो भी न्यू हैं आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा होगा, बिकॉज क्या हुआ था, मैं अभी जैसे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस भी होती हैं या ऑनलाइन भी होती हैं, आई सी कि बहुतों के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम आती है, बहुतों के, ऑलमोस्ट हर एक के साथ आती है स्टार्टिंग में. ओके, सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस. इसको प्रैक्टिस करना थोड़ा, एंड इट मे टेक फ्यू डेज. लॉट साइज को कैलकुलेट करने में कुछ दिन लगते हैं बहुत लोगों को. ओके, इट विल टेक फ्यू डेज टू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली कि मेरे को कब कितना लॉट साइज लेना है, विथ विच लॉट साइज आई हैव टू ट्रेड दिस टाइम और इन दिस ट्रेड. ये समझने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. ओके, सो आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस दिस. एंड मैंने यहाँ पे ये जो ओवरऑल सबको ये शेयर किया है यहाँ पे, राइट, इसका यूज़ करके एंड ट्राई करके देखना, अपना लॉट साइज का प्रैक्टिस करके देखना. एंड इवन आफ्टर दिस इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन or if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the WhatsApp or in the live session. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video guys.